issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Hidalgo County in deep South Texas, southeastern Brooks County in deep South Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over El Coyote Ranch Airport, or NEAR Rachal, moving south at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles, including cracked windshields and minor exterior dents can expected. Some damage to crops and trees is expected. Expect minor wind damage to mobile homes, some roofs, siding and some fences. Tree limbs will blow down and small trees will be uprooted. Damage to power lines and some power poles is expected. Locations impacted include Rachal, Encino, and El Coyote Ranch Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is a special weather statement for the following areas in Texas: Brooks, Hidalgo, Inland Willacy, Kennedy, and Star. Significant weather advisory for western Kennedy, northeastern Hidalgo, Jimhog, northeastern Star, Brooks, and northwestern Willacy counties until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms across